Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am teaching 6th class maths. In that I have done earlier 7.3 exercise. Now I need to do decimals. This is class 6th. I need to do decimals. What are decimals? So before going to go to that topic, let us have a small idea about a scale. So when you take, suppose this is the scale, the lines written upon it, this is 0, and let me take this as 1. I am taking only 1 centimeter length. This will be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, and another one, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and then this is 10th one. So this should be little bit nearer. So this is 10th one. So this is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, this whole thing you call it as 1 centimeter. But 1 centimeter is divided into 10 parts. Yes or no? These are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. Totally from here to here, they are divided into 10 parts. So each part is called a millimeter. This is denoted by mm, millimeter. So suppose I have taken a line segment which is drawn like this. Suppose I have got little bit more line, I'll write it here, another line segment. You have got here 0, and here 1, here 2, and it goes on like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. That means this is 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it goes on like this. Suppose I have taken a pencil. It is measuring like this. Suppose this is a pencil. What is its length? It starts with 0. You have to keep it at 0. And where is this end of the pencil goes? So the end of the pencil goes to this place, this point. So how much you have got? From 0 to 1, totally 1 centimeter it has got. And then how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. 1 centimeter plus 7 parts means 1 centimeter, 7 millimeters. You will be calling it as 1.7 centimeters. So understand this children. This is called as decimal part. This is a decimal part. This is integral part. 1.7 means 7, you call it as decimal part. And you will be calling this one as integral part. This you should remember children. Whatever is a, suppose as an example, I have taken 12.36. This whole thing becomes decimal part after point, and this becomes integral part. This you should understand, children. Every decimal will be having an integral part and a decimal part. This you should understand. Now, children, we will talk about place values of decimals. What is place value of decimals? As an example, we will be taking a number 125. This is hundreds place, tens place, units, tens, hundreds. So, hundreds place is means this is 100. Tens place means this is tens place, and units place is this is units place. That means hundreds place, when it is shifted to tens place, this is becoming 100 by tens place. And tens place, when it is shifting to units place, it is becoming 10 by 10. That means what? On shifting towards right side, the place values become 1 by 10th of previous place value. This is the thing, children. Here 125, you will be writing it as 100 plus 20 plus 5. This is the expansion. This is 100. So hundreds place. So as it is, you are writing. But in tens place, what is happening? In tens place, 100 is divided by 10. So when you are shifting to right, from left to right, hundreds, tens, units, if you are going, why am I talking about right? Usually whenever you are writing the number, we will be talking about right to left, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, like this, right to left we are going. But now specifically I am talking about from left to right. Why am I talking it like this? Because we are talking about decimals. All the decimals will be right side to the integral part. So we should know what is going to happen to the numbers when the numbers are moving from left to right. How many parts it is divided? That if you know decimals, you can understand very well. So here, when I shift from left to right, what is happening here? Each place value is divided by 1 by 10th of the previous value. That means suppose I have got a thousands value. This is 1,000. Now next one, what happens? 1,000 by 10 value. That means what? 0 will get cancelled. It becomes hundreds place. Now when I go to the next place, tens place, this 100 is divided by 10. So I am getting tens place. And tens to units place, when I go, this 10 is divided by 10. So you are getting units place. So when you are moving from left to right in the place values, what are we doing? Each number is divided by 10 with the previous value, not always by 10. But with the every number, it is with the previous value. Previous thousands means 1,000 is divided by 10. Hundreds means tens means 100 is divided by, because after 100 you have tens. So we should have that knowledge. From left to right, when you are going, the place values, when you take, each and every place value will be 1/10 of the earlier place value. If you have this knowledge, now let us go to still more right, because all these days you have done up to this only. So now if you go to right, here you cannot write any number without keeping a decimal here. This is the integral part. Suppose I have got 125 by 4. So 125, I'll write 100 plus 20 plus 5. plus, as I said, 1, each one. See, here we have done 1000 is divided by 100, and 100 is divided by 10, 10 is divided by 10, so you have got 1. Now what I should do, this 1 should be divided by 10. Are you understanding? 1 by 10, this is units place. Now right to units place we are talking about. So 1 by 10, so what is the number that you will be writing? 100 plus 25 plus 5 plus 4 by 10. 4 by 10 means the number becomes 125.4. So when you are writing place values, you will be writing 100 plus 2 tens plus 5 ones plus 4 tenths, T and THS. 4 tenths. This is how you have to write. Suppose you have got the same number with 4, 6. So what you will be getting? 100 plus 20 plus 5 plus 4 by 10 plus 6 by C. 1 by 10th by 10. That means 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, that is 1 by 100 you will be getting. So 6 by 100. I hope I am clear here, children, because when we are talking about the numbers here, each value is divided by 10 to the previous place value. Previous place value is what here? Previous place value is 4 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10th place value. So 1 by 10, the next one goes to 1 by 10 by 10, because everything should be divided by 10. So you are getting 1 by 100. So you will be writing the expansion like this. This means 125.46. You will be writing here as 100, 2 tens, 5 ones, 4, you will be adding this, no? 4 tenths, T and THS, plus 6 hundredths. This is 6 hundredths place. DTH, hundredths. DRETHS. HANDRETHS, hundredths. You have D also, children. DREDTHS, hundredths place. So tenths place, TENTHS, 600ths place, HUNDREDTHS, hundredths place. Next, you will be having, next place is thousandths place. So in general, if you are writing numbers like this, suppose you have got 236.457. That means 2 hundredths place, 200 plus 3 tens plus 6 ones plus 4 TNTHS, tenths, plus 5 hundredths, HUNDREDTHS, hundreds, plus 7 thousands, THOUSAND, thousand, THS, thousands. When you are writing its expansion, how will you write? Sir, 457, how will you write? It is equal to 236 plus 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. So the easiest clue or easiest way you have to see is, after decimal, 1 digit means 1 0. 2 digits means 2 zeros. Third digit means 3 zeros. Remember it like that, so that the expansion of writing the numbers will be very easy. This is about the place values of the decimals, children. main thing that you need to understand here is, whenever you are moving from left to right in a number system, each system will be divided by 10 to the previous one. This is 100. Now we are starting with 100. After 100, tens place. That means 100 should be divided by 10 to get tens place. And units place. This 10, this is tens place. Tens place should be divided by 10 to get units place. This is integral part. When you go to the decimal part, what happens here? In the decimal part, what will happen? Decimal part, again 1 should be divided by 10. Why it is, what is this one? This one is this units place. Units place divided by 10. Next number, if you go units place, this 1 by 10's place divided by 10. 1 by 10's place divided by 10 is 1 by 100. So 6 by 100. When you go to thousands place, 1 by 100 divided by 10, that is 1 by 1000. So easy way of learning or easy way of remembering these parts while writing the expansion is what? After decimal, which place it is? First place 10, second place 100 divided by. For first place means that divided by 10. Second place the number divided by 100. Third place the number divided by 1000. In that way, if you remember, it will be easy for your children. I hope I am clear. Now we will see, try these problems. Write the fractions of the following decimal parts. Write the fractions. The first question is, write the fractions. It goes on like this. Let me read. Write the fractions for the following decimals, and also how many tenth parts are there in each. So you have got the first bit is 0.4, second bit is 0.2, third bit is 0.8, fourth bit is 1.6, fifth bit is 5.4, sixth bit is 5.3, and seventh bit is 0.9. Now the question is, first one, 0.4. How will you write this 0.4? 4 by 1 digit, no? 10. So how many tenths parts they are asking? It is having 4 tenths parts. This is the answer for this children. And second bit 0.2. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. So it has got 2 tenths parts. Now third bit 0.8. You can write it as 8 by 10. So how many tenths parts? 8 tenths parts. Now fourth bit 1.6. 1.6 can be written as, how will you write? This is integral part is 1 plus decimal part 6 by 10. So 1 6 by 10. So how many tenths parts it is having? 6 tenths parts it is having. We are not going to talk about integral part because they are asking about tenths parts only. This is fourth problem. Now fifth problem is 5.4. This can be written as integral part plus 4 by 10. That means how many tenths parts? 4 tenths parts it is having. Next, sixth bit. 555.3. So you are having integral part 555 plus 3 by 10. That means how many tenths parts you are having? 3 tenths parts. Now, seventh one, 0.9 can be written as 9 by 10. So you have got 9 tenths parts. So this is about first problem, children. And second one, complete the table. In this, you have got 10 tens place and ones place and 1/10th place. 1/10 means what? 1 by 10. This is 1 by 10. Now you need to write about decimal part. Means a decimal number you have to write. Decimal number you have to write. They have given here 3, 6, 7, 5, 9, 6 and 7, 4, 3. So what are the solutions for it? How will you write the decimal part? 3, 5 integral part is this. Tenth part is decimal part. So you will be writing it as 35.7. Here 69 is the integral part point. 4 is the decimal part. Here 76 is the integral part and 3 is the decimal part. So 35.5, 69.4, 76.3 are the solutions for this table, children. Please copy it. I hope I am clear. Now you have another table. This is a third problem. Complete the following table. Here you have got decimal number. They have given, it is opposite to that of the earlier one. They have given decimal number. You have to write what is whole number part and what is decimal part you have to write, and then what is the value of the decimal part, and then you have to write in words. What is it? You should write in words. So what did they give? They have given 8.5, 11.7, 23, 23.0, 5.4. So this is given to you. Now the solutions are whole number part is 8. What is whole number part? This is whole number part. This is 8. And decimal part. This is decimal part. What is decimal part? 5. So what is the value of the decimal part? Say after decimal, first number is this. So what is the value? 5 divided by 10. I told you, one number means you have to divide it by 10. 2 means 100. That means what? How will you write its value? 0.5. The value is 0.5. And you have to write in words. You will be writing it as 8 ones and 5 tenths. TENTHs. 5 tenths is the answer here, children. Now the next one, whole part, integral part is 11 and decimal part is 7. You will be writing it as 7 by 10. That means 0.7. So how will you write in words? 11 ones. Now got you, sorry, one, I'll write 10 1 tenths plus 1 ones plus this, they are asking 7 tenths. 7 TENTHs. 7 tenths. You can write it like this. Otherwise, you can write it as 11 and 7 tenths. 11 and 7 tenths. Next, you have got 23. 23 means you will be writing 23 here, integral part. Decimal part is 0. So here you will be getting 0. So you will be writing it as 23. You have to write only 23. And how many tenths are there? 0 tenths. Okay, next 5.4. Integral part is 5, decimal part is 4. This you will be writing it as 4 by 10 means 0.4. So you will be writing 5 ones and 4 tenths. TENTHs. Okay, children. This is about the answers for this table. Please copy it. Now, the other bit is about finding the measures by using scale, children. That you have to do because I cannot explain it in that way. How many centimeters are there, how many meters. Just as an example, let me take a scale here and draw a line segment from 0 to this. This is 4.5. So here this whole length AB, I have got its measure as 4.5. So how many 4.5 means what? It is 4 centimeters and 5 millimeters. You can write it as 5 mm. 4 centimeters and 5 millimeters. So this is integral part, this is decimal part. So you are writing it as 4.5. So in this way, I want you to do it by using the scale and measuring the lengths. Next, I want to do these sums. Now do these sums. You have got fill in the blanks. The first one is 325 paise. 325 paise means how many rupees you are having and how many paise you are having. This is equal to rupees dash. And second one, 570 paise dash rupees dash paise is this. And the third bit is 2050 paise is equal to dash rupees dash paise. This is written as this. This is the one, children, problem for you. 3 bits are there. So we know that 100 paise means 1 rupee. This every one of us know. With this knowledge only, we are going to do this problem. 325. 325, when you are writing in expansion form, you will be writing it as 300 plus 20 plus 5. That means this many paise. All these are paises only. 20 paise and 5 paise. All these are paise only because he has given paises. So we know that 100 paise means we will be taking it as 1 rupee. So 300 means what? 3 rupees. 20. 20 and 5. Both you together you have to write 25 paise. So how many rupees? 3 rupees. 25 paise. Keep a decimal and write 25. Then you will be returning as 3.25 rupees. Then 570 paise. In hundreds place you have 5. So it is 5 rupees. And how many paise remaining are paise? 70. So you will be writing as 5.70, or you can write it as only 5.7 because this 0 can be cancelled. All the zeros before decimal are countable, but all the zero after the decimal, after this number, if you have any zero, you can strike it off. 5.07 means you have to keep this zero as it is, but 5.70 means you can cancel this because this zero is in the last. Last zeros can be cancelled if you have got decimal. That you need to remember. Okay. Now this is 2050 paisa. 2000 means what? Means in hundreds place 0, but in thousands place 2. 2000 means 20 hundreds. 2000s. 2000s can be written as 20 hundreds. So 2000 means 20 hundreds. So 20 rupees. How many rupees? How many hundreds are there? 20. So 20 rupees 50 paisa. So how will you write it as 20.50 or 20.5? You can write anyway. These two are also correct. So copy this, children. With this, I am concluding my topic. In the next class, I will be doing the exercise.